This is a video about using lunarvim and using lazygit within it. And as a preview, you type space GG. I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to edit a file. Lvim is the thing for lunarvim. It doesn't matter what the content is here. It's just some file that does something. It's 1,000 lines of file that does something. Okay, so I type space, and in a second it completes to things. And I guess I just didn't really notice this before, but if I type G now, I get to a new whatever menu. I'll type G. This is things that you can do with Git and Git diff and all the other kind of stuff. But look at G, lazygit. So in other words, space GG. Type the second G. Right, so what we see here is a bunch of different panels. I'm probably not going to talk about them all. I don't have anything in the stash at the moment, it looks like. If I clicked on that place in the commits thing, you can see commits. So here's hash code, etc. This is probably my name there, I imagine. Not sure whether this resizes. I guess I don't care. Okay, so I can click down. I'm clicking the mouse at various commits, and you get to see, I guess what I would call it, the patches for the things that changed. But let me just go to a particular one. I'll take this one. I'm going to double click now. I should say I'm on an OS X, Mac OS machine. I don't think that matters. But anyways, double clicking. Maybe it's a single click in Windows. I just don't know. Okay, and now I can look at individual files if I want. So I'll double click on this one called get, or I guess single click on it, and I see that. I see this. So really nice. I see the changes. And so the great thing, and now I can type escape to sort of go backwards, escape. So now I'm back at the place and I could look at, I'm doing something about notes there, whenever that was. That was 3 days ago. I'm doing this on April 25. Okay, so we'll look at that, and I double clicked on it, and so I could see how I changed this so-called Shiny app. Quite a lot of changes on this day. And these are things that I did I altered some other code, I'll just say that. All right, so in summary, using lunarvim and space GG, but all I have to do is type space and wait a few seconds. You'll see that lowercase g gets you into Git stuff. Wait a few more seconds. Type G to wait a few more seconds, and you'll see another lowercase g gets you into lazygit. And this is what you're seeing here is lazygit. Really handy. I think it's just really handy. I'm a big Git boy, but it's nice to be able to just stay within your editor and not to pop back out to the console. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.